Hello and welcome to another edition of Silo Design Solutions Tips and Tricks. My name is John Ofield and today we're going to cover one of the new items within Revit 2021.1 update and the newest update within Dynamo. So on one of our last videos we were discussing from our Analyze tab over in the ribbon on the right hand side, route analysis, and how we could create path of travel, reveal obstacles, get in, find out what particular obstacles we want to avoid or leave on in that route analysis. Well, in today's edition, we're going to take this a step further and utilize one of the scripts out of Dynamo. So with this, we'll open up Dynamo. You can do that either from your Manage tab, the program, or if you have it open, it looks like this. So with this, you'll see a lot of new samples that have been added to the library, and you can always get this to the from the Windows library location as well after the update. So this particular item is called Calculate Longest Distance for Your Exit. And with this open, the script's already been created and it's got some nice explanations of what to do. So what the script is going to do, what it's all calculating, and where to start. So the easiest two things here are selecting your first initial door, which is going to be your furthest door away from the exit. Now the second, select alternate exit door, that is your exit door. So that would be the one for like stairwell or whatever it may be for that exit scenario. So what we'll do is hit select for our first item here, jump over to Revit, and once we get that done, I'm just going to pick this furthest door here from this particular room, and we're on a floor of a hotel here. So I'm going to jump back over to Dynamo, select our second door, and once we get that selected, we're going to jump back over here, grab that exit door for that stairwell, and then all we have to do, back here in Dynamo, select Run. Now once this is done, we will see this calculation not only come up with information here in Dynamo, but also within Revit itself as well. So what this is doing is taking all of these direct nodes and the information from the model itself and creating this and giving us the information about this item as well. So if you ever want to tag this to pull this data out, so notice that it had created this path of travel line from door to door. That's the two doors that we selected, and that information is also located here as well at the very end. And so anything that we might want to see, we could definitely change any of this information within the script. So let's jump back over to the Revit platform. So the information we were talking about, that path of travel, is all located here. And you can also come up here and tag that information as well if need be. So you can get in here, select annotate, tag that particular path of travel, and it's all the same data that we had. And so it's just a nice, easy way to be able to pull that information out, quickly just run some quick scenarios, and you didn't have to pick and select everything and readjust. So hope you enjoyed this segment. Enjoy the new updates, 2021 Revit 0.1, and also the updates within Dynamo. Have a great day. Thank you for your time.